Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be fixing the issue with our UI. So as you know that when we are testing our game on our Android mobile phone and we press the inventory, as you can see when the inventory is shown, the player UI, the minimap and all of that things is not deactivating, okay, but the current menu deactivates, as you can see. And when we press the cross button, it is right here, but when we press it, as you can see, it deactivates, but this minimap and the player health bar and these buttons is not deactivating. So in this video we will be fixing this issue, okay, and this is actually not an issue when we are testing it on a simulator, but of course if it is showing this error on the mobile phone, then we need to fix it. So for that, simply right here inside the update we will say that if the weapons menu active is true, okay, then what we will do, we will not show the player UI, the current menu and all of that. So we will simply set all of them false, okay, and then we will say that if this is false, okay, it means that if we are not viewing the weapons menu, then we will enable them. Okay, so let's paste that code in here. That is all we need to do. If we save the script, get back right here, let me clear that out and let's run our game on mobile phone. So as you can see now it is running on the mobile phone. Now if we press on inventory, or you can say weapons menu, now as you can see all of them is deactivated, only the menu is showing. And now if we remove that, now as you can see all of the things are working perfectly fine, as you can see, okay. If we check it out again, as you can see now that issue has been fixed. So all you need to do is to create a if condition separate for activating these UIs and then deactivating them, okay, and make sure that you add in the if condition that if the menu is active then we will not show this, and if it is deactivated then we will show the player UI and the minimap and the current menu, okay. So it was a simple fix, and with this done, let's end this video right here.